How to set the always on display lock screen to tap to show on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. Now from here, tap on always on display, tap on the left hand side panel. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on when to show, tap on it. And from the list here, make sure you select tap to show. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now if I go to my lock screen, you can see the lock screen will be turned off. If I want to turn on the always on display, I can now simply just tap on it and that will turn on the always on display. Now it will stay on for a few seconds and after that it will automatically switch off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.